Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home, your go-to place for all things tech and streaming. If you're looking to enjoy live sports and more using StreamEast on your Roku device, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step method to get StreamEast running on Roku. Let's dive in. Scene 1, explaining StreamEast and Roku compatibility. First, let me clear something up. StreamEast doesn't have a dedicated app on the Roku channel store. But don't worry, you can still access it by using screen mirroring from another device like your smartphone, tablet, or PC. I'll guide you through the process, so stick around till the end. Scene 2, enabling screen mirroring on Roku. Step 1, enable screen mirroring on your Roku device. Here's how you do it. Go to the Roku home screen and select Settings. Scroll down to System and select Screen Mirroring. Under Screen Mirroring mode, choose either Prompt or Always Allow. This ensures your Roku is ready to mirror content from your other devices. Scene 3, setting up the source device. Now that screen mirroring is enabled on your Roku, let's set up the source device. I'll show you how to do this on both Android and Windows. For Android devices, 1. Open your Android phone settings and search for Cast or Screen Mirroring. 2. Select your Roku device from the list. 3. Once connected, open your web browser and go to the StreamEast website. For Windows devices, on your Windows PC, press the Windows key keys to open the Connect menu. 2. Select your Roku device from the list. 3. After the connection is established, open your browser and navigate to StreamEast. Scene 4, navigating and using StreamEast. Once you've mirrored your device, you can browse StreamEast's content right from your TV. Use your source device to navigate through the website and select your favorite live streams or sports matches. Conclusion. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy StreamEast content on your Roku device. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more streaming tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!